September 2024, there's a two civilian person went to my house and asked where I am, where is Angie Eswelio. And Ate Maribek said that why, and then the two civilian person said that there's a warrant of arrest that coming this noon time going to evening to Angie. And then Ate Maribek call to the police of Sir Gabutero because the two civilian said that the police Gabutero told them to send to my house to see if I am there. But the police Sir Gabutero said that he don't told to anyone to go to my house and said that the warrant will be served in this day, noon going to afternoon to me. So it's very suspicious why they use the name of the police, Sir Gabutero, the police, to said that there's a warrant of arrest of me this day. And Sir Gabutero, the police, don't said or told that go to Angie house because there's a warrant of arrest. Because Sir Gabutero, the police here in my town, he not yet received a warrant of arrest to serve to me. So there's many suspicious of this case of mine now that I face, that I think there's behind person of this case that they really want to get me, to hold me. And yeah,